Hey guys, ZJ Films back again, and today I'm here with my special guest, Clayton. He's about to ride a dirt bike right now, I don't know why. But today we're going to be crushing a seltzer water can with a metal baseball bat. So let's go. Alright, so we're going to do a couple rounds, to see how it turns out. We're going to whack it different ways, a few different cans, so see how it turns out. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we're here with Clayton. He's going to smash the can first. 3, 2, 1, smash it! Oh, it exploded! Oh my gosh! Oh, it's like, how did that even happen? Alright, we're gonna do next round with me. Alright, so EJ Films is gonna smash it now. Clayton smashed it from the side, I'm gonna smash it directly from the top.
So yeah, here comes Evan.
There we go. Here, I'm gonna set it up again. We're gonna try this again.
Try it upside down.
Here, wait, no. It
Oh,
won't stand.
completely
Try this
smashed
again.
Oh,
I'm getting sprayed with soda.
what a sprinkler.
Did I hit the ground? You know what? I'm hitting him from the side. Well, there you have it. Another can whacked. Alright, we're going to do a few more, guys. Be prepared. Alright, so we have Clayton here smashing another can.
Basically to death.
Yeah.
Okay.
This time he's going to smash it multiple times until it explodes or starts squirting out water all over me.
To death.
Again. To death. Alright, here we go.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh! Oh, that was awesome. It left a trail. Explode it. I think it's dead. Okay, put it in the pile of aftermath.
Guys, here's Evan. He's gonna be smashing the fourth of the little pile we have.
And as you can tell, I've never told you my name is Evan. And
Yeah.
I'm 11. My name is Evan. I'm 11.
Okay.
Let's go.
Here we go. Let's do this death contest. Boom! Atomic bomb.
Okay. As you can see, it basically exploded. Okay, so smash that up some more.
So guys, here's the results of all of our bottles. That's the first. Basically cut it right in half.
Oh,
So-
and this video called Seltzer Water Smashing is sponsored by Seltzer Water. Ugh,
The sweet one.
oh, who gets paid to drink this stuff?
Me.
What the?
The
It was
sweet one.
there's a bubble. There was a bubble over the top. What the heck?
The sweet one.
Bye, guys.
See ya.
Out.